always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello.
This song is about colors. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Now take two. Mix two colors and you'll make something new. Start with yellow, red, and blue. Yes, we do. You can also add a little bit of black or white. Yeah!
It's so good to see you again. The rest of the gang is already here. Let's see what Pig is up to.
Hi, Pig. What are you painting?
Can you tell what it is?
A teddy bear.
That's right!
Where did you get brown paint?
I mixed it myself. Want to see how?
Yes, please.
Okay, first start with some yellow. Then get a little bit of red and mix it in.
It's turning orange. A little bit.
Get a little bit of blue and mix it in.
Look, it's turning brown.
Yeah, you mixed yellow and red and blue and made brown. What are you going to call your new brown?
I'm going to call it dirt brown.
Oh, like the dirt in my vegetable garden.
Mr. Goose, I made the color brown. Can we make that the color of the day?
Hedgehog, that's a great idea. Presenting Brown. Which book is brown? There it is. Brown book. Which pants are brown? There it is. Brown pants. Which cuckoo clock is brown? There it is. Brown cuckoo clock. Which table is brown? There it is. Brown table. Marvelous!
Colors fill our world like a rainbow that's unfurled, painting earth and sky rainbow colors, like the color brown. Brown is here and there. I see it everywhere. Brown is all around, in the sky and on the ground.
Hi, Ms. Panda. What are you doing?
Hi, Monkey. I cut out all of these colored shapes, and now I'm sorting them.
Can I help?
I would love it if you helped. Thank you, Monkey. First, find all the blue circles and put them in a box.
Okay. There's one. There's another one. This is a circle.
That's brown. We only want blue circles.
Oh, right. I forgot. Here's a blue circle.
Thank you, Monkey. Now, let's gather all of the green hearts.
Okay. Here. Here. Here's one. And here.
Splendid!
Should I look for yellow diamonds now, Miss Panda?
That's a good idea.
Okay. Here. Here. And here.
Great! And what's left?
2 brown circles.
Okay, let's put both of them in their own box.
Okie dokie. We've sorted all the shapes.
Thank you so much, Monkey.
What are all of these shapes for?
Whatever we want. We can use them to make art projects.
Ooh, I could pretend these 2 brown circles are coconuts. Look.
You certainly could, Monkey. And you could use these green hearts to be tree leaves.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. It's called Why is Nita Upside Down? In this story, a little girl named Nita feels like she doesn't fit in. I wonder why. Well, let's read and find out. Let's begin. Why is Nita Upside Down? Written by Emma Hearn, Roxana Bauer, and Sarah Bauer. Illustrated by Sarah Bauer. Nita's hanging upside down, her long hair tickling at the ground. The trees, the grass, the everything is all the wrong way round. Her feet, they poke into the sky. Little Navi is walking by. He says, "I've seen you here before. You're upside down again. What for?" Her feet swim lightly in the air. She tries to hide behind her hair. "It's hard to talk," she says to him. "I'm not the same. I don't fit in." Navi takes her by the hand. He wants to help her understand. They climb to Navi's lookout spot. From up here, they can see a lot. They perch and have a quiet stare at children playing here and there. Those kids are not the same at all. Abe's round, Cheese freckled, Layla's extra tall. Bam Bam's wild and must run free, while Lulu reads quietly. Look at Freya's crazy hair, and Tim wears glasses everywhere. And me? I am just skin and bone. And you are you. You're not alone. Each human's sort of strange, you see? That makes you just the same, like me. This world is really one big game. To play, we can't all be the same. Nita feels the right way round, thanks to the new friend she's found. Upside down was never fun. Now she plays with everyone. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called London Bridge. And look what I have in my backpack, a ukulele. I'll sing the song first, then you sing along with me. Okay, let's begin. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Now this time, we'll all sing together, okay?
Okay.
Yeah! Yes! I'm ready!
Here we go. London Bridge is falling down, falling down, falling down. London Bridge is falling down, my fair lady. Well done!
Thank you, Mr. Frog!
Thank you for singing with me. Goodbye.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count sea stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 sea stars. Now let's count shells together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it! Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the rocks. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many rocks are there in all? 6! You did it! Thanks, Monkey! Hey, I have an idea. Let's count all the grains of sand on the beach. Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon!
ready to do everything 4 times. Clap 4 times. Nod 4 times. Point 4 times. March 4 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me. Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh, what was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye, it's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye, let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen.
Hey, diddle diddle, the cat and the fiddle. The cow jumped over the moon. The little dog laughed to see such sport, and the dish ran away with the spoon. Diddle, the cat